Hello friends, welcome to Vvsm Academy by Vvsm to our classes. Science notes, learn science, do science. 2021 SLC examination question papers and answers for 10th class ICSE, CBSE, NCERT and state syllabus. Well friends, I would like to divert your attention towards the atomic physics. Introduction to the atomic physics. Atomic energy is the source of power for both nuclear reactors and nuclear weapons. What is that atomic power? Atomic power is nothing but the nuclear power, my dear friends. Let us have a close association with atomic physics and nuclear physics. It is one and the same. They are like two sides of the same coin. Atomic physics and nuclear physics. Well friends, this energy comes from where? Splitting. Splitting means what? Fission. Nuclear fission. Fission means what? Breaking fragments or fusion. What is the joining? Fusion means what? Unifying or unity. Uniting together of atoms. So, the atomic energy or the nuclear energy are of two types. One is nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Fission means breaking and fusion means uniting together of two atoms. There is a possibility of understand the source of this atomicity or atomic energy. One must be first understand the importance of atomic physics. Atomic physics is the field of physics that studies atoms as an isolated system of electrons and atomic nuclei. It is primarily concerned with the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus and the process by which these arrangements change. That means atomic particles and subatomic particles, electrons, protons and neutrons. So my dear friends, here you see atom as a whole. Atom consists of the nucleus, and nucleus is made up of proton and neutron. We have already discussed in our previous classes about the electron, proton and neutron. So therefore, atomic physics and nuclear physics going side by side. They are like two sides of the same coin. Let us have glance over the atomic physics and nuclear physics. Discovery of proton, I would like to divert your attention towards recollecting the memory of Rutherford's gold foil experiment. In 1909, you know that Rutherford discovered proton. Gold foil experiment we have already discussed. In this atomic physics, the experimental setup of Rutherford's gold foil experiment, where the deflected particles, the detecting screen, the gold foil and the alpha particle emitter are the important things. Most of the volume of an atom is empty space. The number of negatively charged electrons dispersed outside the nucleus is same as number of positively charged in the nucleus. It explains the overall electrical neutrality of an atom, my dear friends. This is the atomicity or the atomic physics. And Rutherford gold foil experiment tells most of the observations about the entire positive charge are confined in a small core called nucleus of an atom. The particle, electron, proton and neutron, the symbol, the charge and the mass are respectively given in detail. Discovery of neutron. Now coming to the discovery of radioactivity. What is radioactivity? Now I would like to divert your attention towards the nuclear physics. As I told you, nuclear physics is also nothing but atomic physics, but it is different. I told you the two sides of the same coin. Atom, electron, proton, neutron, and the radioactivity is nothing but, what is radioactivity? What is radioactive element? It is a process where spontaneous emission of alpha, beta and gamma rays by the radioactive element like uranium and radium. Radium means immediately I would like to recollect the memory of great scientist Madame Curie. She awarded 2 times Nobel Prize because of its hard work in the nuclear physics for the discovery of radium and polonium. That's why she awarded 2 times Nobel Prize, and the second Nobel Prize was taken along with Juliet Curie. Okay. Radioactive decay. What is radioactive decay? What is decay? Decay is nothing but disintegration. Decay means disintegration. Disintegrate means breaking. Breaking means splitting. Splitting is nothing but the radioactive element spontaneously splitting the alpha, beta and gamma rays, or the alpha, beta and gamma particles. It is a spontaneous emission of radioactive element discovered by Henry Becquerel in 1896, my dear friends. Therefore, a material containing unstable nuclei is considered radioactive. Suppose the nucleus is unstable. That's why the alpha, beta and gamma particles, which are highly penetrating power. 3 of the most common types of the decay are, as I told you, alpha decay, beta decay and gamma decay, all of which involve emitting 1 or more particles or photons. This is the symbol for radioactive. Wherever in the science and technology, if you find this symbol is representing radioactive substance. This is the bombardment of alpha particles, beta particles and gamma particles. And here I would like to tell about X-rays. Uranium emits something told by Becquerel. This is Röntgen. The discovery of X-rays is the responsible person. Discovery of X-rays is nothing but credit goes to Röntgen. And the Becquerel discovery of radioactivity goes to uranium, emits something. He told, Becquerel told. Along with, after that, Rutherford contribution is also there. After that, Madame Curie, the great scientist in the nuclear physics you come across. These things we will discuss later. Now, nuclear physics. You know, my dear friends, nuclear physics is a branch of physics that deals with the isolated nuclei of atom, or it is the study of nuclei and particles within the nuclei like protons and neutrons. Nuclear fission and nuclear fusion are the types of nuclear reactions which are the major findings of nuclear physics. In this topic, we will learn in detail about the following topics related to nuclear physics in the forthcoming classes from the Vvsm Academy, Bangalore, camped at Gopanahalli, Challakere, Taluk, Chitradurga. My dear friends, topics related to nuclear physics are nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, difference between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, types of radioactive isotopes. What are isotopes, my dear friends? Isotopes, radioisotopes are nothing but same atomic number but different in atomic weights. Same atomic number and different atomic weight. Suppose uranium 92 238, uranium 92 236. So same atomic number with different atomic masses gives you the radioisotopes or radioactive isotopes. And further, difference between mass defect and binding energy and nuclear reactors, fundamental forces of nature, types of radiations, properties of alpha, beta and gamma rays, difference between natural and artificial radioactivity, half-life of radioactive elements, These are the very important concepts, the fundamental concepts, basic knowledge of nuclear physics, my dear friends. Thank you. Vvsm Academy is going to give a fundamental, conceptual, basic education to the students who are interested in science and technology. Not only 10th standard, PU standard, PUC, pre-university students, degree students, and even the competitive examination students can also approach Vvsm Academy for the academic value. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe and call Mr. Veerabhadraya Demaya 9663828428. If you like our videos, once again I am requesting you, please press the bell icon and subscribe.